Hi, I'm Shelly, and I'm going to show you how to make these tasty, crispy chicken wings. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm here to show you how to make my best favorite crispy chicken wings, salt and pepper, flavorful, in the oven. But there's a few things that I do that are really simple. When you're cooking for crowds, big crowds, you just want to get them in the oven, get them cooked, get them crispy, nothing soggy going on. And I'm here to show you how I do that. So, first thing I use is parchment paper. This is truly your key. It will save you so much time. Nothing sticks to parchment paper. And one of the best pans that I like to use is more on the aluminum because you can cook on high heat and it doesn't warp and it doesn't start to twist on you. So just get out your pan, put your parchment paper on, put it aside, or not too far, to the side. Then you grab your fresh wings out of the package, and we're not going to worry about any spices until after. So we're really just going to coat them in flour, just like this. Throw them in. My hands are clean. This is how I do my stuff. See, I've got them on my big platter here, and I have preheated my oven at 390 actually, but I put it on convection roast. So if you don't have a convection, just go 400 and bake. I like the convection roast because both burners are alternating, so they're always turning on, and they'll just cook a little faster, they'll brown a little bit quicker. And normally I keep them in the oven anywhere from 45 to maybe 50 minutes. So we'll take a few still shots later on how they're looking, but on the convection roast I'm not having to rotate them as much, so I can just put them in the oven. Let's take a peek. You can hear them sizzling. They're good. Let them cook. Now I have my tongs because it's hot in here. Okay, let's see what they're doing. Alright, just going to give them a little flip. You can see how nicely they're turning and nice and brown. And you'll notice that nothing's sticking. Again, it's the parchment paper. Do not use tin foil. All right. Yeah, you can see how nice and crunchy they are. Look at those go. So now I'm just going to throw them. I'm just going to do half at a time with spices. One of the reasons I never really spiced them beforehand, before I put them in the oven, my wings, is I just never really could taste it. So I just found that if I cooked them first and then took them out, I could just throw my spices on right after while they were still a little on the damp side. So that's what I did. So when I pull those out, when they're nice and crispy, I'm going to sprinkle on one of my favorites is the cake Montreal steak spice, which is fantastic. I do a little bit of garlic and then some lemon pepper. So as I take them out, I'm just going to throw the spices on. They're going to stay dry. They're going to just have that flavor. And if you have a special sauce that you like, just put it on the side and dip it. But at least your wings will always stay nice. They're dry, they're crispy, and you're not washing your face off not washing sauce off your face after. Anyways, all right. What? Back here. There we go. Okay, do that here. I am just going to throw in some lemon pepper. Ooh, I just love this part. My steak spice. And a little bit of garlic. Give it a flip. Get it all mixed up. There we go. And then they are ready to serve. These, my friends, are crunchy. Whoop! Get back here. Flavorful. My chicken wings. You will make friends wherever you go. Your family members will phone you and ask you how to do them. Trust me, I know from experience. So I'm just going to do the other ones. A little bit of that. A little bit of this. And a little bit of this. Woo! Almost lost them. My son taught me that actually. There we go. Oh, lost another one. Oh, jeez. There we go. There. I won't put them all on. There you go. Fresh, crispy chicken wings. I like Frank's hot sauce because I put that shit on everything, so just do whatever you like. But that's how you serve them, and trust me, they'll love you for it. Okay, the best part, ladies and men, because something tells me you guys cook chicken wings too, the best part. Fold it just because of the grease. There you go. Voila.